When France was divided into provinces, there lived a usurper, Duke Frederick, who had banished his elder brother, the lawful Duke. The Duke, who was banished, lived in the forest of Arden along with his loyal followers. In the forest, he patiently bore his misfortune. The banished Duke had a daughter, Rosalind, whom Duke Frederick kept at the palace so as to give company to his daughter, Celia. Rosalind and Celia loved each other a lot, and Celia often consoled the sad Rosalind. One day, a messenger from Duke Frederick came and invited Rosalind and Celia to watch a wrestling contest. In the contest, a young man was to fight with a large and powerful man. Celia and Rosalind, on the Duke's request, tried to persuade the young man not to fight with the powerful man. However, the young man insisted on fighting and, very surprisingly, even won the contest. The Duke was very much pleased by the young man, Orlando. However, when he came to know that Orlando's father was a friend of the banished Duke, he became quite angry on Orlando. However, Orlando and Rosalind started liking each other. Out of anger, the Duke even ordered Rosalind to leave the palace. Celia loved Rosalind very much. They both decided to leave the palace with the money and jewels. Rosalind disguised herself as a young country lad named Ganymede, and Celia disguised herself as a country lass in the name of Elena. They both headed towards the place of the banished Duke, the forest of Arden. After reaching the forest, they became quite tired. However, luckily they were able to buy a shepherd's house and sheep, and even got a person to serve them. They lived there and started searching for the banished Duke as shepherd and shepherdess. In the meantime, Orlando's elder brother Oliver became very jealous of Orlando because of his victory in the wrestling contest. He even wanted to burn Orlando in the house. However, a man informed Orlando about Oliver's evil plan and helped him to leave the palace by becoming his servant. They both headed towards the forest of Arden. Luckily, Orlando met the Duke, who gave him and his servant food to eat. When the Duke inquired about Orlando's parentage, he became happy that he was the son of his friend. The Duke allowed Orlando and his servant to live with him and his men. In the forest, Orlando started writing poems and carving Rosalind's name. However, when Ganymede and Elena saw these, they were quite surprised. One day they even met Orlando. However, Orlando was unable to recognize Rosalind as she was in disguise of Ganymede. Ganymede even told Orlando to visit the place where he and his sister lived so as to counsel Orlando as regards learning the way of impressing girl like Rosalind. One day Ganymede even got a chance to meet the banished Duke, but he did not disclose his identity. One morning, Orlando saved a man from a snake and lioness. Later, he realized that it was his brother Oliver. However, in the fight, Orlando's arm was severely hurt. Oliver repented for his wrongdoing. On Orlando's suggestion, Oliver went to Ganymede to inform about the tragedy which Orlando faced. While talking to Ganymede and Elena, he even repented for his bad behavior against Orlando. His behavior impressed Elena and they both fell in love with each other. When Oliver informed Orlando about his love, Orlando wanted to marry the next day. When Ganymede came to visit Orlando to see his injury, they talked about the love between Elena and Oliver. Orlando also wished if he could have been married to Rosalind the same day itself. Ganymede promised him that he would bring Rosalind to him the next day for marriage. The next morning, Oliver, Elena, Orlando, and banished Duke were all present for the wedding. Ganymede reappeared as Rosalind, which caused immense happiness in all, especially the Duke and the Orlando. The Duke gave his consent for both the marriages. Moreover, a messenger came them and said that Duke Frederick wanted to restore the dukedom to the banished Duke. This caused extreme happiness.